By the end of this video, you will be able to connect your n8n with Google Apps, including Google Sheets, Gmail, and Drive. First of all, let's open a new workflow. You can go to this plus icon here and click on new workflow and click on add first step. Search for Sheets, Google Sheets. Now click here. Then we need to select the trigger. For now, let's say on row added. Okay. Now, what is this asking us is, because I already have some other account connected, I'm going to delete that and show you from scratch. Okay, let me delete that as well. I'm going to choose create new credential. You can also open docs. The doc is pretty solid. It's going to open a documentation from n8n. So you can see here, the steps are pretty solidly mentioned here. Let's create a Google Cloud account. I already have my account. I'm going to show that to you. If you do not have the cloud account, please create cloud account so you can continue. Let's go to console. Okay. And you can see I have my cloud account ready. Now let's go to the documentation one more time. And it says create a Google Cloud Console project, enable APIs, configure your OAuth to consent screen, create a OAuth client credential, and finish your n8n credential. Let's do that step by step. Let's go to your project. I already had GivingbackAI education. Let's create another project just to show you. I'm going to call it GivingbackAI n8n demo. Okay, then click on create. It's gonna create a new project. So once that is done, click on this select project because the notification will be there. You can click on select project. It's gonna open the project for you. Okay, you can see GivingbackAI n8n demo is here. Now once you are here, click on this navigation menu, search for API and services, click on enabled API and services. So basically what this does is this is where you enable APIs from Google Cloud and Google Services. Click on enable APIs and services. Now search for Google Sheet API. Okay, click here, enable that. Okay, similarly do the same for Drive and email. Okay, let's go back, enable and search for Drive API, Google Drive API, enable that. Okay, that is also enabled. Now I'm gonna search for one more API, which is the Gmail API. Okay, Gmail API is here. I can also enable that. Okay, you can actually enable as many apps as you want or need, but the process is going to be the same. So after you do that, so let's go to the documentation one more time. We enable the APIs, configure your OAuth consent screen. Okay, so let's go here, OAuth consent screen. It says Google Auth platform not configured yet. So let's click on get started. Then I'm going to call it demo, GivingbackAI education, the app name, support email. You can choose your current email. Click on next. It's going to be external because this is not workspace. Contact information, I'm going to choose this, my email. Okay, that's my email. Click on next. I agree, continue, create. Okay, great. Now we have the Google Auth platform OAuth created. The next step is click on branding. Let's see what they offer here. Okay, you can see developer contact information is there. Click on audience, add test user. This is going to be the same email that you would like to log in with Gmail through n8n. Okay, just click here, save. Click on save. You can see user is added. Now let's go to clients and refresh one more time just to ensure things are up to date. Now click on create client. Application type is web application. The client name is n8n local. That's what I'm going to call. And then authorize URI. I can skip that. Add URI. Let's add here URI. Redirect URI would be, if you see here, OAuth redirect URL, copy that and just paste in redirect URIs. Okay, now create. That's how we create OAuth client. So you see it provides client ID and client secret. So I'm going to copy that to my n8n and paste to client ID. Now the next step is copy the client secret and paste here. Okay, and click on sign in. Let's save it and then sign in with Google. Okay, you can see it's pulling my account. Click on choose an account. Google has not verified this app. You've been given access on this app that's currently being tested. You should only continue if you know the developer that invited you. Yes, because this is fine, because we have not published our app in production in the Google Cloud, so that's fine. Click on continue, select all, then click on continue. Connection successful. Look at that. So it shows you green label here. Now that means we have the Google account connected to our n8n local instance. Okay, let's cancel that. Now I have another Google Sheet. This is actually coming from the form. If you guys have been following along, we have a form for onboarding founders at GivingbackAI co-founder agent app, right? So basically for this purpose, I have this Google Sheet. Every time a new row gets added here in this Google Sheet, we need to do some operation in n8n, correct? So let's share this URL. Okay, now because we have shared the client ID and secret, we can basically copy the link of the Google Sheet without making it public. Okay, now come here, credential, this is done. Poll time, that's fine. Let's choose from list, change it to by URL. You can also search or paste the URL there. Now after you paste the URL, we're telling n8n that, hey, get the data from or link your instance, the n8n instance, to the Google Sheet, and from here you can choose the name of the Google Sheet. You see, if I rename or add another sheet here, let's say just add it is my new sheet name. If I go back here, I should see that again, right? So let's say, let me refresh that. Let me try to click here, and then I might have to redo it again. Let's go back to it here, double click again, and click on this drop down. You can see just added. There you have it, guys. This is how we connect our n8n instance to Google Cloud, and the process is going to be same for all the Google services. Could not retrieve the columns from the keys because we don't have any columns. But if you choose the form response 1 and fetch test event, you can see no sheet data found. We didn't find any data in the Google Sheet. This is totally expected, right? Because we don't have any data here in our form response. All right, so that's how we add or link our instance to Google services. Save here. All right, so in the next video we will see how to continue building this workflow and get things done as per the requirement mentioned here. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye bye.